Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what to do if your Valorant or Riot client is not launching after you're clicking on it. So you're trying to open it but nothing's happening, and even if you open up the task manager you can't even forcefully close it because you can't see it at all. So today I'm going to be showing you how you guys can fix that, and the fix is pretty simple. So in order to get started, the first thing you guys can do is head over to settings and you can do a network reset. So what you can do is go to network and internet, you can go to advanced network settings, and then from here you can go to network reset. You can reset your net, or you can click on reset now. Once you do that, just simply update and restart your PC if there is an update, or just simply restart your PC. And once you have done that, you can check to see if the error has been fixed. However, if Valorant is still not launching, the second method you guys can do is right click on Valorant, and what you're going to do is go to properties, and you're going to go to compatibility and make sure you have run this program as an administrator checked. And if you do not have it checked, just simply check it, click apply, and then hit OK. And then once that is done, open up Valorant, run as an administrator, and the error code should be fixed and you should now be able to play Valorant, or it should launch now. And just to show you guys, see, now it is working. And yeah, and if all of this does fail as well, the final thing you guys can do is simply delete Valorant and then reinstall it with the latest update. And yeah, that is it for the video. I hope this video helped. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.